Welcome to Aussie Outdoor demonstration of the 12,000 pound winch. We're just going to quickly demonstrate the wireless remote control setup here. Great benefit with the wireless remote is obviously you don't have to try and find the connection, especially if your vehicle's bogged or trapped in water. You just simply use the remote control once the winch is connected. So simply in and out button. At the moment we just have a slight little bog here and some mud. We've just got a short 8-metre run up here to a tree, and we'll just quickly demonstrate the remote control for you. Simple, no one in the vehicle, so the vehicle this time will just get pulled out on its own. Okay, just press the in remote control button. And as you see, it's slowly pulling the vehicle forward out of the bog. £12,000 obviously, will easily pull out a Nissan Navara like this straight out of a mud hole. Simply just keep your finger in. Once you let go, the winch will stop activated. A little bit further out, I think. That gives us plenty of room now to try and pull ourselves out. Hopefully now we can drive out of this. Thank you for watching the short demonstration. We look forward to you purchasing one of our winches.